Today we'll talk about how can you change language on your Windy app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above settings, you click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to language, you click on this sign here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. So then here can you select or change your language here in this list on your Windy app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.